Okay, next one is they are in grades converting into degrees. Okay, how? Very simple. Already you know one right angle divided into 100 parts. They are in grades. 100 grades equal to right angle in degrees 90 degrees. So 100 grades equal to 90 degrees. So 1 grade equal to 90 by 100 degrees. That means 0 0 cancel. 9 by 10 degrees. 9 by 10 degrees. That means 100 grades can be expressed as 1 grade into 100. Here 100 is multiplication. Of transposition, it becomes division. Okay. So we want to find out 100 10 grades. 10 grades equal to how many degrees? 1 grade equal to how many degrees? 9 by 10 degrees. 10 grades equal to simply 10 into 9 by 10 degrees. So 10 10 cancel, that equal to simply 9 degrees. Simply 9 degrees. Okay. The next one 30 grades. 1 grade equal to 9 by 10 degrees. 30 grades equal to 30 into 9 by 10 degrees. 0 0 cancel, that equal to 9 3s are 27. Okay, 27 degrees. Next one, 1 grade equal to 9 by 10 degrees. 45 grades equal to 45 into 9 by 10. Okay, so they are divisible with 5. 5 9s are 5 2s are. That means 81 by 2 degrees. Okay, simply 81. That means 40.5 degrees. Also 40.5 degrees. Otherwise, you convert it into degrees and minutes also. Okay, and next one 60 into 9 by 10 degrees. 1 grade equal to 9 by 10 degrees. 60 grades equal to 60 into 9 by 10. 0 0 cancel. 6 9s are 54 degrees. Okay, so 54 degrees. Next one 90 grades. So 90 into 1 grade equal to 9 by 10. Okay, 90 grades equal to 90 into 9 by 10. 0 0 cancel, that equal to 81 degrees. 81 degrees. This is the conversion of grade into degrees. Okay. Next one, degrees converting into radians. Okay, already you know 180 degrees equal to pi radians. How I explain it? 180 degrees equal to pi radians. 1 degree equal to pi radians by 180. That means 180 can be expressed as 1 degree into 180 equal to pi radians. So 1 degree equal to pi radians by 180. Pi radians by 180. Okay. So now 30 degrees. 1 degree equal to pi radians by 180. 30 degrees equal to 30 into pi radians by 180. Conversion of degrees in terms of radians. Very, very important. Okay, so 3 1s are 3 6. So that means pi radians by 6. Pi radians by 6. Degrees in terms of radians. Degrees circular. This is circular measure. They are in degrees. Okay, next one 45 into 1 degree equal to pi radians by 180. 45 degrees equal to 45 into pi radians by 180. These two are divisible by 15. 15 3s are 45. 15 1s are 15 and 2s are. And 3 1s are 3 4s are. So that equal to pi radians by 4. So 45 degrees in terms of radians, pi radians by 4 and 90 degrees. So 90 into pi radians by 180. 0 0 9 1s are 9 2s. That equal to pi radians by 2. This is the conversion of degrees into radians. Already you know this one. Okay. Next one. Okay. So I have explained just now. What is that? radian conversion of degree. Okay, so how many radians equal to 180 degrees? Pi radians. So pi radians. Here C indicates circular measure. Okay, so pi radians equal to 180 degrees. So simply instead of pi radians you have to substitute degrees. 180 degrees by 4. Okay, 4 4s are 16. Remaining to 25. That means that equal to 45 degrees. And 2 pi by 5. So 2 into pi radians. Pi radians equal to 180 by 5. Okay. So 5 3s are 15. 15. Remaining 30. 66 are. Okay. So 36. 5 36 are 180 degrees. 2 36 that equal to 72 degrees. So this is the conversion of radian to degree. The next one, grade in terms of radians. Already you know 90 degrees equal to how many grades? 100 grades. But 180 degrees equal to how many radians? Pi radians. But this is 90 degrees. That means you divide with 2. So 90 degrees equal to pi radians by 2. So 90 degrees equal to 100 grades equal to pi radians by 2. Pi radians by 2. Okay. So now 1 grade equal to pi radians by 2 into 100. Okay. So 100 grades can be expressed as 1 grade into 100. 100 is multiplication of transposition, it becomes division. Okay, so 1 grade equal to pi radians by 200. So simply 30 grades equal to 30 into 1 grade equal to pi radians by 200. 30 grades equal to 30 into pi radians by 200. 0 0 cancel. That equal to 3 pi radians by 20. Next one 40. So 40 into pi radians by 200. 1 grade equal to pi radians by 200. 40 grades equal to 40 into pi radians by 200. 0 0 cancel. 4 1s are 4 5s. That equal to pi radians by 5. Okay. Last and final 90 into pi radians by 200. 0 0 cancel. That equal to 9 pi radians by 20. Pi radians by 20. This is the conversion of grading in terms of radians. The next one, radian in terms of grades. Okay. Already you know pi radians equal to pi by 2. Radians equal to 90 degrees equal to how many grades? 100 grades. Okay, pi by 2 means 90. Pi radians means 180 degrees. Okay, so that means pi radians by 2 equal to how many grades? 100 grades. Pi radians equal to 2 is division of transposition multiplication. That equal to 200 grades. That means pi radians equal to 180 degrees. 90 degrees equal to 100 grades. 200 grades equal to that means 180 degrees equal to 200 grades. Okay, so 5 into pi radians equal to 200 grades by 2 1s are 200. That equal to 500 grades. And 3 pi radians equal to 200 grades by 4. 4 1s are 450. That means 150 grades. Last and final 3 into pi radians. Pi radians equal to 200 grades. 200 grades by 2. The 2 1s are 200. So that equal to 300 grades. 300 grades. This is the conversion of radian in terms of grades. Okay. So this is the all conversion of all measurements of circuit in one system to another system. Okay, in your next video, I introduce the relation between angles and sides in a right angle triangle. Okay.